Hello and welcome to my review of Z.com Trade. It is a subsidiary of GMO, Click Securities, which is actually the largest retail brokerage in the world. It's like an umbrella corporation out of Hong Kong. They happen to be in Kowloon. So if you're there, one of the most interesting things about this brokerage firm is that for their clients, they offer like walk-in education. So you can go see them. Obviously, if you're not there, then it's an issue. But being in Hong Kong, they do offer the protection of the Hong Kong authorities, the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission. Hong Kong has long, as I'm sure you know, been a major banking center in Asia, so they are well regulated. So that's one of the first things you'll always want to look for. They have been around for quite some time, depending on if you break it down to ZCOM or GMO. But ZCOM has been around for 11 years now. In 2020, they opened up in June of 2011. So clearly, they've been around for some time. They only offer Forex. And basically, you know, a lot of the normal pairs that you would see, of course, there's the Hong Kong dollar, which would be, you know, the local currency. So, of course, they would trade that. The initial deposit, there is no minimum. So that helps. You can see this is over the weekend. So the spreads aren't reflective of the live environment. But typically, while live, Euro tends to be about half a pip. British pound tends to be closer to 1 pip, maybe just a touch over. They offer 20 times leverage, so it's a little bit lower than some other places. But again, you know, you don't want to over leverage your account anyways. 21 is still plenty. You can see deposit and withdrawal. Pretty straightforward. Online banking or ATM. Now this is through HSBC. Direct deposit. You can do, BOC, Hong Kong Bank. They offer online checking, etc., check by post, etc., etc. So you can also do, you know, the bank wire transfer. So that's your options there. The account, straightforward. It's you open an account and it's either demo or real. There isn't like a whole mess of options out there, so you don't have to worry about that. Trading platforms. Now, the trading platform is not MetaTrader. They use their own proprietary one. You can see that this is TraderWeb. And, you know, for those of you who's used FXCM's platform, it reminds me a lot of that, actually. Then they've got the mobile versions for Android and Apple. You can see it's starting. This looks a lot like MetaTrader 4 to me. And they have Superchart. So Superchart is like their top platform. It offers quite a bit of functionality. So with all of that, you should find plenty of ways to trade. They've been around, like I said. This part of the company has been around since 2011, so these obviously have quite a few miles put on them. You don't have to worry about that. As far as extras are concerned, they've got walk-in appointments. That's kind of interesting. If you're in Kowloon or in Hong Kong, you can go looking for education. They do have workshops. They have commentary and fundamentals and a glossary. Not a lot of hand-holding here, though, so you want to know what you're doing, or just keep in mind that you need to find online education, which you can find quite easily. But if you're looking for like signals or an education course right along with your account, this won't be the case. Highly regulated broker, though, certainly strong enough for most retail traders to use.